Welcome to Tech It's Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join a live on Yubo. So, without any further delay, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Yubo app. Firstly, you have to open your Yubo application. After opening the Yubo app, go to the live by clicking on this button in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Join the live. Now, after coming to the live section of Yubo, you just simply have to select the live that you want to join. After selecting the live, you can see this raise hand button at the bottom of the live. Just simply click on that and confirm your raise hand by clicking on the raise your hand option. After clicking there, you just simply have to wait for them to send you a request to join the live. You just simply have to select either join with audio or join with video option, and after that, you are all set to join a live on Yubo. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.